What you're about to see is the powerful A-10 Thunderbolt II in action. As it undergoes a series of critical checks and preparations before a combat mission. The A-10 is known for its unmatched durability and close air support capabilities, designed to survive in hostile environments. It remains one of the most trusted aircraft in military operations. Before takeoff, the engines undergo a detailed inspection. Every component is carefully examined to ensure maximum performance and safety during the mission. Precision-guided munitions are now being loaded onto the aircraft. Each weapon is positioned with extreme accuracy to ensure effectiveness in targeting ground threats. The A-10's powerful GAU-8 Avenger cannon is being prepared. This iconic weapon is capable of delivering devastating firepower with incredible precision. With all systems ready, final checks are performed. Every detail matters before the aircraft takes to the skies. In moments like this, power, precision, and preparation come together, defining the strength of modern air warfare. As the final clearance is given, the A-10 begins its powerful roll down the runway. Engines roaring with controlled intensity. Within seconds, the aircraft lifts off, breaking free from the ground and entering the open sky. This moment marks the transition from preparation to active mission readiness. Climbing higher, the A-10 stabilizes its altitude, maintaining a steady and calculated ascent. Every movement is deliberate, every adjustment precise, ensuring optimal flight performance. In the vast sky, the aircraft demonstrates its agility, making controlled turns and smooth directional shifts. These maneuvers are not just routine, they are essential for mission success and survival in combat environments. At this stage, the pilot remains fully focused, monitoring instruments and maintaining complete control over the aircraft. Because in modern aerial operations, precision and control define everything. Now in midair, the A-10 begins a series of controlled aerial maneuvers, demonstrating its stability and combat readiness. Sharp turns, altitude adjustments, and precise directional shifts, all executed with remarkable accuracy. These movements are designed to simulate real combat scenarios, where every second matters. Soon, the aircraft approaches a critical operation: mid-air refueling. Carefully aligning with the tanker aircraft, it maintains perfect positioning. The connection is made. Fuel begins to transfer, extending the aircraft's range and endurance. This complex maneuver requires extreme precision, as even the smallest error could lead to mission failure. But in trained hands, it becomes a seamless operation, showcasing the true capability of modern air power. With systems fully operational, the A-10 transitions into its strike phase. Targets are identified and locked with precision targeting systems. Moments later, the aircraft unleashes its firepower, delivering controlled bursts from its cannon. The sound, the impact, a clear demonstration of devastating capability. Missiles are launched, cutting through the air, striking designated zones, including water targets and remote mountainous safe zones. Each strike is calculated, ensuring maximum effectiveness while maintaining operational safety. This phase highlights the true purpose of the A-10: precision attack and battlefield dominance. As the mission concludes, the A-10 begins its return. Descending steadily, it aligns with the runway, preparing for landing. The wheels touch the ground, marking the successful completion of a complex operation. Engines slow down, systems power off, and silence gradually replaces the roar of the mission. Finally, the pilot steps out of the aircraft, calm, composed, and mission accomplished. In moments like these, it becomes clear that behind every powerful machine stands human skill, discipline, and precision